Hello friends, this is Juniper Rain. Today's video we're going to be creating a multi-layer font from a single layer base. As most of you know, Design Space has lots of beautiful multi-layer fonts, but if you are purchasing fonts from other sources, they're generally going to be single layer. We're going to start with going to our text box. I've selected the Girl Boss script that I downloaded from fontbundles.net. We're going to make sure that our original type is in a regular style font. I have a 3-line project here. You don't need to worry about adjusting your line spacing because we're going to be separating this all out to lines. I'm going to arrange this, send it to the back. I'm going to duplicate it, move the duplicated off to the side. We're going to go back to our original. We're going to change it from regular to bold. And then we're going to come over here to the font size. We're going to bump it up by 2. So this font went from size 72 to size 74. Now what I want to do is I want to reduce my letter spacing so that way my script is touching. Now I'm going to ungroup this to lines. My first word, you can see here, it needs a little bit of fine tuning. We're going to ungroup to letters. We're just moving this over so everything is connected and we've got good spacing in between our letters. Now our duplicated font that is still in 72 and regular, I want to change that to a bright color that we're going to be able to see easily as we're building our top layer. So I've just made that a nice little pink that's going to really pop against the black. Whatever you choose your final colors to be, it really doesn't matter. This is solely for visual purposes of lining everything up. We're going to ungroup to lines. Now that I have this here, I'm going to ungroup it to letters. I'm going to pick that up and just lay it right on top. I'm going to select both letters, align, center. And we will do this the whole way across. Select, align, center. Align, center. We're just going to do this the whole way across. Now, as you can see, everything is lined up and centered beautifully. All the letters that you've worked on in pink are lined up here in the order you were working on them. After I was done with that D, I clicked over to the side here because the last thing we had done had the black D and the pink D connected. So we clicked over here, unselected. Now I'm going to go to my job list. I'm going to select that pink D, hold my shift key, and work my way down till I've selected all the letters in the word inspired. Down here, there's a button called Weld. You're going to hit your Weld button. And now all of those individual letters are in one group, one word. We're also going to do the same thing with the back layer. We're going to weld that also. So all of those letters, instead of being single letters, they're all connected now. We can take this and now arrange it however we want, whether we want it centered again, if we want it off-centered to give it more of a shadow look. I think I like that, so I'm going to leave it there. I've clicked off. Now I'm going to select that whole word and I'm going to group it. If you're going to use this for a print to cut project, you would select it all and you would hit flatten, and that would be the look that you would have. We're going to take both of these, ungroup them to letters, and we're going to do the process over. Depending on how creative you want to get, or if you want these filled in, I'll show you a cool little trick. Let's say we want to fill in that little loop by the Y. We're going to select that base layer, the by. So we've selected that. We're going to go down here to contour, and we're going to select that section and that section. And now we've blacked those out. So if you wanted that type of look, it's easy to do just by using your contour button. I'm going to leave mine like this. I'm going to select that, and we're going to group it. And last verse, same as the first. Another trick, if you don't feel like constantly going over here, arrange, move front to back, a quick step is if you just right click on your mouse, you will automatically see your send to front, send to back. And that's it, friends. That's how we will make a multi-layer font in Design Space. I hope this video was informative and it helps you create so many more new projects. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment below, or any suggestions for other videos you would like to see. Thank you so much. Have a great day.